We are in a food processing plant, and what we're looking at is a large shredding machine that shreds a food product. The product comes down this chute and into this cone, and then inside this larger cylindrical shaped piece of stainless is the shredders. And in the box are the controls and a large electric motor. The shredding machine works fine. The problem is changing the shredding blades in this cone. What they do is they come up to this machine and they unlatch it here, and inside here is just a metal, this is just a metal pin and inside a metal sleeve, and there's a lot of friction, and this thing rotates around really difficult. It takes a couple of the girls to do it here in the plant, or one guy, you know, to rotate around. I'm pulling on it now, and it rotates around really hard. They do this several times a day. The other issue is to get the shredding device out of there. They go up this platform, and I'm going to show you one that's already rotated around 180 degrees. This is the one right next to it. I've already rotated around. I've taken the cone off the top, and you look down in here, and this is what they actually pull out. It's full of razor sharp blades. They put Kevlar gloves on and lift this up out of here. It weighs about 50 pounds, and then they have to carry it down these stairs here. So they can't put their hands on the rails, and they're carrying something that's very sharp. So not ideal for safety. So what we're going to do is provide a solution to this. One, we're going to make this rotate around much easier by replacing that housing that it's rotating on with a housing full of bearings. It'll rotate very easily with just a couple of fingers pushing on it. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to make this system go down to the ground. We're going to make this whole assembly lower about 4 feet. So they won't need the platform anymore. They'll be able to rotate it around and then lower the whole assembly down about 4 feet so that the blades will be a little, right about waist high, and they won't have to go up the stairs. So the next video you'll see is the lifting system and rotating system that we're going to put in. Here's our solution. We designed, fabricated, and installed the structure that you see here. You now have a bearing housing here, so it rotates very smoothly, comes around very easily. Locks in place with ball lock pin. Now, rather than going up the platform to get to the head, lowers to the ground. So now they can get to the head very easily, pick up right here, and no need to go up and down the stairs.